the sneak attack on Pearl Harbor, America was in a war on all seas. Civilians became soldiers, millions of them, from all parts of the country, transplanted to the distant jungles of the Pacific, stacked against an enemy who had been preparing for years and was determined to fight to the death. Slogging and blasting their way from island to island, with every inch stiffly contested and every yard gained only through vicious fighting. New concepts quickly became routine as infantrymen developed the tactic of vertical envelopment. Taking a cue from the enemy, the Germans' successful airborne invasion of the island of Crete, American forces quickly enlarged the scope of the flying infantrymen and created a tremendous airborne striking force. But even though the tactics might be extraordinary, the paratrooper was still a rifleman, and when he landed, he fought with the same weapons as the infantrymen who advanced on foot. American soldiers in Europe led the free world back across the continent. Equipped with John Garand's M1 rifle, their firepower was infinitely greater than anything produced in opposition. With the confidence of superior arms, they battered their way to victory in World War II.